Welcome to our detailed comparison of Qlik and Power BI, two leading business intelligence tools. Let's dive in with the first aspect, features. Qlik offers associative data indexing that allows you to explore all possible associations in your data. Power BI, on the other hand, provides interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities. Power BI also offers data discovery, data preparation, and interactive dashboards, but its features are more focused on reporting and less on detailed data exploration. Now, let's consider pricing. Qlik offers a tiered pricing model with options for small businesses to large enterprises, starting at $30 per user per month. Power BI, however, offers a more aggressive pricing strategy with a free version for individuals and a pro version at $9.99 per user per month. For larger organizations, Power BI Premium is available, starting at $4,995 per month, offering more capacity and flexibility. User experience is a critical factor. Power BI's interface is simple and user-friendly, making it easier for beginners to start creating reports and dashboards. Qlik, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. However, once users get past the initial learning phase, they can leverage Qlik's powerful capabilities to delve deep into data analysis and exploration. Integrations are key in the world of business intelligence. Qlik offers a broad range of data connectors and APIs for integration with various data sources and third-party tools. Power BI, being a Microsoft product, integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Excel and Azure, but also supports a wide range of other data connectors. Performance is another crucial factor. Power BI is an in-memory based tool, which means it can process data very quickly. Qlik also uses in-memory processing, but goes a step further with its associative data indexing, which allows for faster, more efficient data exploration. Security is paramount in business intelligence. Both Qlik and Power BI provide robust security features. Power BI leverages Microsoft's robust security model, while Qlik provides granular control over data and application security, including row-level security and section access. Support and scalability are essential for any BI tool. Qlik offers strong support and has proven scalability, serving many large enterprises. Power BI also offers robust support through Microsoft and has the advantage of seamless scalability due to its cloud-native architecture. Based on our comparison, Power BI emerges as the winner. Here's why. It offers competitive pricing, a user-friendly interface, seamless integration with Microsoft products, fast performance due to in-memory processing, and robust support from Microsoft. However, Qlik's powerful data exploration capabilities and granular security controls make it a close competitor. Thank you for watching our detailed comparison of Qlik and Power BI. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video beneficial, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned.